Welcome. If you're looking to disable notification sounds on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. Whether you're at work, studying, or just need some peace and quiet, turning off those notification sounds can really help. Let's dive right into it. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This takes you to your profile page, where you can access your personal settings. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Give that gear icon a tap to proceed to the settings. Now, you're in the settings menu. Scroll down a bit until you find the notifications option. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of different notification settings. Finally, to disable the notification sounds, simply unmark the sound option. Once you've done that, you've successfully turned off those notification sounds. That's it. You can now enjoy using Snapchat without the distraction of notification sounds. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.